Introduction to Autodesk Fusion 360. So here we have Autodesk Fusion 360, and Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD, CAM, and CAE. So CAD, computer design, CAM, computer-aided machining, and CAE, computer-aided engineering tool that's designed for collaborative product design. And Fusion 360 is a great way to create our manufacturable designs and explore different designs, whether it be through modeling or sculpting or generative design. And we can work the workflow all the way through CAM, and we can provide the toolpaths for our CNC machining, and we can even send our design to a 3D printer for rapid prototyping. So our data is located in the cloud, and so it's unlimited storage and access. This allows us to have a team approach to it. It works both on Mac and PCs, and so in order to get this software, you're going to have to go out to Autodesk.com here at manage.autodesk.com, and you have to create an account. And so once you create an account, then you can download it. The download is actually very small, and because it is cloud-based, and what we do with this software is we sketch. We do a simple sketch, and then we extrude it into a solid model. And because it's bidirectional, it means that we can create our 2D drafting views automatically. And it is collaborative. We can work on the same project, many people at the same time, because it's in the cloud. And because it's part of an Autodesk package, this software allows us to directly exchange drawings and models with other Autodesk software like AutoCAD, AutoCAD Lite, Inventor, things of that nature. So we can bring in, import, and export different tools. And we set up different workspaces up here, all the solid modeling tools, all our surface modeling tools, our mesh tools, sheet metal tools, etc. in here. So we end up, this is many different tools in our design workspace. So we have many different workspaces we can design. We can generative design, which we use basically AI to help us design our product. We have rendering capabilities, we have animation, we have simulation, so we can understand our engineering properties of this. And then we can manufacture workspace to create our tool space, and we can make our 2D drawings from this. So our system requirements, generally you probably want to use Windows 10, Windows 8. You need at least 2 gigs of RAM, 4 is recommended. You need 5 gigs of hard space, 10 is recommended. And it really can run on many different machines, and it is very powerful. So I'll cover many videos over the course of these videos to get you started with Autodesk Fusion and how to go through each task. So good luck with using Autodesk Fusion 360.